Thank you everyone for giving my previous video on completing the square method such an amazing response. Many of you requested an example where the coefficients b and c are not divisible by a. So today we will solve exactly that. Let's work through the equation 3x squared plus 5x plus 2 equals 0. So the equation is 3x squared plus 5x plus 2 equals 0. First step is to make the coefficient of x square as 1, and that we will do by dividing the entire equation by this 3. So we get x square plus 5 over 3x plus 2 over 3 equals 0. Next step, shift this constant term to the right side. So x square plus 5 over 3x equals negative 2 over 3. Now, after this step, we are going to add a quantity to both the sides of the equation, and that fixed quantity is always coefficient of x divided by 2 whole square. Now, what is the coefficient of x in this case? It is 5 over 3. So, 5 over 3 and divided by 2, and this 2 is in the denominator. So, 2 will stay in the denominator whole square. So, this gives me 5 over 6 whole square. So, this is the quantity which needs to be added on both sides of the equation. Let's do that. X square plus 5 over 3x plus 5 over 6 whole square equals negative 2 over 3 plus 5 over 6 whole square. Okay. Now, this will give me x square plus 5 over 3x plus 5 over 6 whole square equals negative 2 over 3 plus 5 square is 25 and 6 square is 36. At this step, I can write the left hand side as the square of some binomial. And what binomial? This first term x plus always this third term 5 over 6. So x plus 5 over 6 whole square. And that is why this method is called completing the square method, because we are able to write the left side as the square of some binomial equals. Now we will solve this right hand side part. How can I make this 3 as 36? By multiplying it with 12. Whatever we will do to the denominator, the same will be done to the numerator. So I get negative 2 times 12 as negative 24 over 36 plus 25 over 36. So the next step comes out to be x plus 5 over 6 whole square equals 36 is the common denominator. Let's solve the numerators. Negative 24 plus 25, and that gives me 1. In the next step, we will remove this square, and that we will do by taking the square root on both the sides. So square root of x plus 5 by 6 whole square is equal to square root of 1 over 36, and we always have two versions of the square root, plus and minus. Now this will cancel out this square, so I will get x plus 5 over 6 is equal to plus minus square root of 1 is 1 and square root of 36 is 6. This step will give me two linear equations to solve. X plus 5 over 6 is equal to plus 1 over 6, and x plus 5 over 6 is equal to negative 1 over 6. Shifting this 5 over 6 to that side, I will get x equals 1 over 6. This plus would become minus, so minus 5 over 6. 6 is the common denominator. 1 added to negative 5 is negative 4. So x comes out to be negative 2 over 3. On this side, x comes out to be negative 1 over 6, and it will give me negative 5 over 6. So x is equal to 6 common denominator. Negative 1 added to negative 5 will give me negative 6. So x comes out to be negative 1. So x equals negative 2 over 3 and x equals negative 1 are the two solutions of this quadratic equation by completing the square method, and that is how we solve the equation when the coefficients b and c are not divisible by a. Bye bye. See you in the next one.